here. Good luck, turkeys. I believe so. Why you ask me after I start opening? Is that what I said? Or you may have the sea chickens. When they hit, I'll tell you. Odell Beckham, some type of fancy die cut. And a bunch of untalented rookies. All right, it's the hit. You want to save it? Yeah, let's just save it. It means it sucks. Navarro Bowman refractor. It's a nice one. And a rookie of A.J. McCarron. Brian Hartline. And a C.J. Fedorowicz. And base. David Fales, shiny card. Sammy Watkins rookie and a Derek Carr rookie. Is that sign to come? Oh, that's the hit. Oops. Uh-oh. 49ers, 65 out of 75. For the Lions, Mr. Brittle, Reggie Bush, David Fales, and Zach Martin. This has to be a redemption or a card's missing. Jesus Christ, this is thin. Nope, just really thin. Luke Kuechly, shiny card, not numbered. Jordan Matthews and Marquise Lee rookies. That's probably the patch, or it feels like it at least. Larry Fitzjenkins, insert card. Troy Polamalu refractor. And a Jimmy Garoppolo rookie. Yeah, I feel sorry for the Bears. They still have Cutler. Larry Fitzgerald again. And Troy Nicholas rookie. It's boiling, buddy. Spell it right. Mr. Pick Six Man. Keeping DBs in the world busy. Montavious Bryant refractor and Michael Sam rookie. Yeah, you don't lose 2 or 3 Hall of Famers and expect to be good. I'm not in denial. Robert Heron die cut and Aaron Donald rookie. This must be the patch. Yeah, so what you want, patch or jersey first? Probably both suck. I'll let you all decide. Patch or jersey first. The jersey? The jersey. Alright, save the best for last. Yeah, no, that's a whole lot of sucking to do. It's expensive suck. Oh, nice one. Orange juice, Jarvis Landry. He should have a good year. Not numbered though. Jersey autograph. And a Brandon Cooks rookie. And a Carlos Hyde rookie. Oh, nice patch. Okay. Awkward. All right, go Dolphins. Jarvis Landry. Numbered 7 of 25. All right. Dolphins, have yourself a break. this was a division box, we'd be upset. Logan Thomas, and that's it. And DeAnthony Thomas, that's it. We shall return with the next box.